Welcome back, children. So, concept of fraction we have learned in the previous exercises. Fraction means a part of a whole. Before going to the chapter, the concept of fraction we have learned through many activities. How to represent the fraction, that also I have shown you. The upper part is called numerator and the lower part is called denominator. Between the lines we have drawn between two numbers, that is called slash. How to represent fraction with the help of numbers, that we have learned. Now textbook we will start. Chapter number 16, fraction is written. One poem is there. So we will recite the poem so that you can understand more about fraction. Fractions here, fractions there. That means in our daily life we use fractions for dividing things. Play with them, do not fear. That means you can play but don't get fear. Half an apple, that already I have told you, 4 parts of apple. Half a cake, half a pastry. What will you take? Whenever you are two brothers and sisters, and if one thing is there, then your mother will divide it into equal to halves. Then that is called half, and that is in the number form we are writing 1 upon or 1/2. Okay. Pastry, apple, both are fine. Cake is big. 1/4 is fine. Apples are small in size, so you can make it 1/4 also, 1/2 also. But cake is big in size, then while dividing it, you can make 4 parts also. Okay, that is called 1/4. So 1/4 is fine. Cut the cake in 4 equal parts. Give me 1/4. Keep rest apart. That means you give 1 part, 1/4 part to anyone, and 3/4 part you keep it with you. Okay. So fraction is a part of a whole. It's what we are going to explore. Means we will learn more about fractions. So once again I will recite this poem. You also learn this poem. This is a good poem. Fractions here and fractions there. Play with them, do not fear. Half an apple, half a cake, half a pastry, what will you take? Pastry, apple, both are fine. Cake is big, 1/4 is fine. Cut the cake in 4 equal parts. Give me 1/4, keep rest apart. Fraction is a part of a whole. It's what we are going to explore. So children, please learn the poem, good poem. Now we will start. Whatever in the chapter is given, that we will start. So let's see here. First we will see this one. Representing fraction. Many things we have learned. Here with the help of picture, I have explained you how fractions can be written, okay, or represented, okay. So you can see here one apple is cut into 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts, one apple is cut into 2 equal parts. This is one part, this is one part. This part we will call it in the terms of fraction 1/2 part. This is also 1/2 part. If we join it together, then it will become a one whole apple. Okay. So here I have written half part of apple plus another half part of apple is equal to one whole apple. One whole apple. We have divided into 2 equal parts. One part is called 1/2, another part is called also 1/2. So if we join together, then it becomes one whole apple. This is called fraction. 1/2. These two 1/2. We have made it 2 equal parts. Below you can see this is a chapati, and we have made it, cut it into 4 equal parts. This is one part, this is one part, this is one part, this is one part. As we one part will be called 1/4 part. This is 1/4 part. This is 1/4 part. This is 1/4 part, and last one is also 1/4 part. And now if we join all these four parts together, it becomes a one whole chapati, isn't it? So in the fraction, how we will write? 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus. If we take these four parts together, it will become one whole chapati. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equal to one whole chapati. So this way we are representing fraction with the help of pictures also. I have explained you, I have shown you with the numbers also how to write it. That also I have shown you. Now it's time to do some activity, exercise or activity, so that you can understand how to do fraction. Okay? Here you can see one square is given and it is divided into how many parts? 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. We can see here 4 parts. But what is written here? You have to shade the fraction as directed. Here it is directed 2/4. That means you have to shade 2 parts out of 4. So how to do? Any 2 parts you can shade. So I am taking one part this, yes, and any 2 parts you can do. Okay, and another part I am taking this. Okay, I am shading this. This is called shading. Any way you can shade. Yes. Fine. So this is called shading. With the pencil you can do properly, but here with the chalk it is not so much of fine. Just I am showing the method how to shade the fraction. Okay? Or you can do whole also. This way also you can do. This way also you can do. Any way you can shade. Any way. This way also you can shade. Okay? So better you do like this way. With the help of pencil also you can shade like this way. Okay? This way, the first way, one is also correct. This one is also correct. Fine? So this is called shading. I have done it. To do the outline so that you can understand. This is called shading. Okay? How many parts we have shaded? 2 parts. Out of 4 parts we have shaded 2 parts. Same way, take the another example. This is a circle. This is also divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. But what is directed? 3/4 part you have to shade. Any 3 parts you can take. So let me do. This way we will do. Any 3. Not whole 4 parts you have to color. Shade or color. I'll take these 3. This is called shading. Any color you can use. Just I am showing how to do the shading or how to represent fraction. Okay? Can you see? I have shaded 3 parts. 1 part is totally blank. You can see here. Can you see here? I have shaded 3 parts as it is written here. 3/4. Okay? Completed. Now below one triangle is there and you have to shade 1 part. 1/2 is written and it is divided into 2 equal parts. So any 1 part you can take. I have taken this part. So you have to shade like this way. 5. Okay. So this is done. So this is called shading or representing fraction, which we have done just now. First one we have represented 2/4, second one 3/4, and third one 1/2. So this way fraction can be represented. Hope you have understand, because this is an activity. Poem also you have learned. Please watch the video and do practice also. This you will love to do, because coloring is there, shading is there, so you will love. So watch the video and do practice.